Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have account access, current 2FA device, and backup codes. Go to the account security settings now, navigate to two-factor authentication or similar. Once there, authenticate with your 2FA code so the system verifies you. Make sure not to close or refresh the page during verification. After authentication, look for the option to manage or disable two-factor methods. This is the first actionable control you will use to begin removal. Also prepare an alternate contact method for email or phone confirmation prompts. Proceed to disable each 2FA method listed, Authenticator apps, SMS, hardware keys. Select the method, then choose Remove or Disable. The interface usually prompts re-authentication. Enter a current 2FA code, password, or confirm via email when asked. If removing an Authenticator app, unlink devices and delete saved codes from the app. For hardware keys, remove registrations. Keep backup codes handy so you can regain access instantly if the main method fails during this middle step. Also update account recovery. Finalize by confirming the removal. The system will show which 2FA methods remain. Sign out and sign back in to verify you can access the account without the removed factors. Make sure recovery, email, and phone are current. Store backup codes in a password manager or secure offline location. If you get locked out, use backup codes or contact support with proof of identity. This is the single troubleshooting tip. Prepare identification and backup codes before you start. Also document changes for team accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.